What's the meaning of armament? Armament. Armament.
Armament. Armament. Armament refers to the military weapons and equipment used by a country or group to defend itself or wage war. This can include firearms, artillery, tanks, missiles, and other related technologies. The buildup of armament can indicate a country's preparation for conflict or military aggression. On the other hand, disarmament refers to the reduction or elimination of such weapons to promote peace and stability. The balance between armament and disarmament is an important issue in international relations and has significant implications for global security and stability.